dias. Buenos dias. Bakit tayo sa mountain, nasa Hamilton tayo. Punta po tayo sa Chittock Stairs to meet up yung mga riders na galing Cambridge and Hamilton. Ito pong magandang area dito. Scenic Drive tayo, and then Upper Paradise Road. Kasama ko sila Kim Santos, Richard, and Kuya Arthur. Kapitbahay kayo si Kuya Arthur sa Brampton. Hamilton Transit, kulay dilaw. Dilawan po ang bus nila. Mukhang uulan pa yata. Medyo merong slight change po sa weather kasi. Nalilito rin si Richard sa pwesto. Ito kasi nag-change din kami. Lagi ako sa may gitna pwesto. Sorry Richard. Dapat nga siguro kinikip ko yung position ko. Kung sa kanan lang ako. Sa buong ride namin nandun ako. Kumikit na. Maganda tong ano na to, area na to. Gaganda ng mga bahay dito. Mga may yaman na dito. Oh my. Nandito na po tayo sa Chittock Stairs. Elmat ko, nandito lang sa may kaliwa nakatira. Papatiin ko siya, pero hatid ko muna ang tropa ko dito sa Chittock Stairs. Oo nga, tama si Ermat, laging puno ang parking. Okay, Jonathan, Archie, Rob. Okay, I think first time lang nating mag-meet siguro, no? Okay. Oh, okay. Hindi ko pa na-check yung weather eh. Sabi, nagbago daw yung weather. Baka may slight rain. Okay. Si Alex, hintayin natin. Oh. May dadating pa ba? Si Carl. Dadating pa si Carl. Okay, si Kuya Arthur, kapitbahay ko yung nakadilaw. Ito sila yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. Nagtatrack din to minsan. Ito sila Master Jonathan, idol. Si Kuya Arthur, Rob. Okay, iwanan ko lang sandali lang. Diyan lang ako sa pangatlong bahay. May airmat ko nakatira dyan eh. Mag-hi lang ako sa kanya. Alam niya, nandito tayo. kami, 7. May hinihintay pa kami isa pa si Carl. Ayun, nandun sila, hinihintay nila. Pero hinihintay pa namin kasi isa si Carl. Ito lang para to say hi at saka magpapapicture ako sa inyo. Kasama kayo. Magsa-selfie tayo. Okay. Yeah. Pwede o pa. Ayan, babalik na ako dun.
I've been waiting this too long, yeah. I've been waiting this too long. Call me up in the midnight, I will play the ping pong. Private jet, take me to that private party in Hong Kong. Young ladies, they all around me, yeah, like just like Don Wong. And no nothing that a shit can bother me on this ground. Ayy, banging hard in backyard, don't make you be a movie star. Growing older bank card, cause I'm getting new black car. 100 million cash now, I got billion, ayy. Faster than a flash, ayy. Quicksilver, those bitches twerking hard, skirt, counterclockwise. They say, homie, gon' be flexing. I say, nah, nah, ayy, ayy, ayy. I say, nah, nah. They say, homie, gon' be flexing. I say, nah, nah, ayy, ayy, ayy. I say, nah, nah. They say, homie, gon' be flexing. I say, nah, nah, ayy. Oh shoot. Made it, brownie, coffee branded. I am so hot like summer's coming, 130 degrees. I am so hot like I just swallowed tons of diverse spices. I try to stop myself, but God told me don't cause any crisis. Why will never be enough? Have a good time and back and show me love. Live until the doomsday, upper world will come when the fact can really won't. Ay, I don't wanna live in LA, really need to go home real quick. Lambo sounds perfect, so great. I'm riding 100 miles away, 100 million cash now. I got billion, ay, faster than a flash, ay. With silver, those bitches twerking hard, skirt, counterclockwise. They say, homie, got me flexing. I say, nah, nah, ay, ay, ay. I say, nah, nah. They say, homie, got me flexing. I say, nah, nah, ay, ay. I say, nah, nah. They say, homie, got me flexing. I say, nah, nah, ay. When I feel alone through the party in my home, I will try to have some fun, even the sun out of blows. 我们今天就是要玩个够 Got them feeling good, I'm surrounded by some pretty girls. And I said, 100 million cash now, I got billion, ay. Faster than a flash, ay. fake silver. Those bitches drinking Oscar, coming clockwise. They say, homie, got me flexing. I say, nah, nah, ay, ay, ay. I say, nah, nah. They say, homie, got me flexing. I say, nah, nah, ay. I say nah nah. They say homie gon' be flexing. I say nah nah.